Hello and welcome back. And in this video, we are going to be talking about HStack. So HStack is another layout container which is used to lay out its child views in a horizontal direction. Child views appear side by side from leading to trailing direction next to each other in a horizontal row. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with a basic example where we'll create an HStack with two text views. Okay, so we're going to create our first example. And inside this, we're going to add an HStack. Now let me go ahead and call this example 1 and create the text view, and we're gonna set this as a large title text. Now notice what happens when we actually put another text view next to the text view. It actually appears right after it in a horizontal line. Let's go ahead and change this to call learn by example, and also set the font for this guy as title 3. Okay, so this is how you create your HStack, basically laying out your elements in a horizontal fashion. Okay, let's go ahead and hop onto the next video where we're going to talk a little bit more about HStack. I'll see you guys there. Thank you.